Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with a roof cleaning job, and we're just going to take a quick video here and show you the rinse procedure. We don't have to rinse this roof down, but we want to do this. There's some roof repairs that need to get done, and we don't want to wait for 3 or 4 good rainstorms to have this rinse clean. So we're going to rinse this down with a simple garden hose here, and we're just going to show you how much dead algae is actually being removed from this roof. This roof was very black, covered in algae, a lot of lichen and moss on this roof. We just want to leave this roof as clean as we can and try to rinse all of our solution off the roof so the roof repairs can get done. And so basically we're just misting water from a garden hose on this roof. We've sprayed this roof over an hour ago, and we'll saturate the shingles here, and you'll be able to see that even though this roof looks clean, the water that's coming off here is all contaminated dead algae. It's all dead, and we're rinsing it down so the roof will be much brighter after we rinse it here. And we're going to rinse this roof real thoroughly. We don't want any solution left on this roof here. But a lot of companies, they'll come out and they'll spray your roof, and they'll just leave it and they'll let the rain rinse it down. But like I said, this roof requires us to rinse it down, and we figured this would be a great time to show you just how dirty the algae is coming off this roof. So and again, everyone, this is Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Specialize in soft wash roof cleaning anywhere in Minnesota. We cover the whole entire state of Minnesota. We also travel to Wisconsin, Iowa, and North Dakota. If you'd like any roof clean, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, or you can also find us on the web. And fully insured for our services, have great reviews, have hundreds and hundreds of roof cleaning jobs completed. We also specialize in ice dam removal, so we're on roofs literally all the time. And you never want to let anybody power wash your roof, because that can take the sand off your shingles, and the sand is placed on your roof for a reason. And if somebody comes out and starts power washing and removing the sand, you're going to have premature roof failure. And so the soft washing process is the only process to extend the life of your roof. So if your roof is covered in algae, lichen, or moss, those things shorten the lifespan of the roof, and the soft washing process will actually extend the life of the roof by killing those things that are living and feeding on your roof. So if you'd like your roof clean, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, or you can also find us on the web at Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a beautiful day.